to me, Sawant. In this session, I will discuss about the biosecurity in broiler farming. Biosecurity is a set of measurement plan and executed to prevent entry and spread of the disease in the poultry farm. Disease outbreak costs more than 10% of the production cost. So performance of next 2-3 flocks get affected if biosecurity is not implemented. And the treatment cost is always higher than the prevention cost. So we must understand the benefits of biosecurity. Biosecurity keeps the disease away, limit the spread of the disease, and it gives full advantage to management, medications, and vaccinations. It improves overall health status of flock and performance. It reduces the medication cost by 50% and reduces the losses and increases the profit. So it also reduces the zoonotic disease and public health threat. So biosecurity is an investment. First, we should understand from where it starts. What are the elements of biosecurity? It starts from your thoughts of farming. Where should be the farm location? It's called conceptual biosecurity. The location of farm should be well accessed to the road. It should have good ventilation and should be away from at least 3 kilometers from the intensified poultry zone. Then we talk about the structural biosecurity. It is actually the investment. It starts from fencing of your farm premises to prevent the unwanted entry into the farm. It includes the facility to changing clothes, shower bath to staffs and visitors. The facility includes disinfection and decontamination facility for vehicles and equipment. Lastly, the shed construction, how the shed is constructed. To facilitate the operational biosecurity. There should be good ventilation management, water system, and finally facility for dead purpose work. In operational biosecurity, there are 2 programs. One is terminal cleaning, that is cleaning of empty shed after lifting of broilers. In continuous biosecurity, it's a day-to-day operation. So, while following the SOP of biosecurity, you must know the source of infection in poultry farm. What are those sources? First one is vertical. It may be vertical from parents, from other farms, neighboring farms, people visiting the farms, litter, insects, hatchery, equipment, wild birds, water, feed, rodents, etc. So, terminal disinfection is the basics of successful broiler farming. It removes the source of infection to the next blocks. A surface contamination is an important source for infection. A square centimeter can harbor 10 million of bacteria. So, 3 important steps in biosecurity are important. Cleaning, which is dry and wet. Disinfection spray and lockdown time is important in terms of disinfection. What are the procedures? How to follow it? First, we remove the equipment, clean it, and disinfect it. The removal of manure. Collect it in heap. Sprinkle lime water. Keep it for 3 to 4 days to decompose. Dispose of 3 kilometers away from the farm or sell it out. Then cleaning of buildings is important. Scrubbing, brushing of roof, sidewalk or floor. Cleaning of water system and pipeline cleaning to remove the biofilm is very important. otherwise it becomes a source of infection. So washing curtain and disinfecting is also needed. Then soaking of floor with detergent is very important to remove the organic matters, because under organic matter lot of microbes hides, and all disinfectants they work least or ineffective if the organic matters are more in the shade. Then washing of floor with pressure pump is required. Let it dry for 1 day. Then spray disinfectant. The selection of disinfectant and number of disinfectants depend on the history of the farm. Then use whitewash, not only in shed, but 3 feet away from the shed to be surrounded. Then hang the curtain below the shade. Spread the litter material 2 inches thick. Place the equipment, feeders, jiggers, lures, and give the final spray, either disinfectant or fumigation or thermal for lockup for feed. Remember, good cleaning job removes 80% of the garbage. Operational biosecurity. It's a day-to-day operation in farm. Start from cleaning of equipments, regular sanitization of water, personal hygiene, changing clothes, changing shoes or sandals, washing hands, maintenance of food tips, changing the water and disinfectant every day or alternate day, pathway of and doorways cleaning and disinfection of plateau and area disinfection is important. In continuous biosecurity, we should restrict the entry of visitors, animals, and wild birds, which are a potential source of infection in the farm. Insulation and shading of pipeline tank to avoid a heat stroke. Control of rodent, insect, and mosquitoes are important. And finally, every day, disposal of dead bird is very, very important. Either the bird should be buried or burned. So, overall, this was the procedure. One more important thing is that the selection of disinfectant. What chemical we use is important. So what is the ideal disinfectant? It should be powerful, broad spectrum, multi-purpose, and fast in action. It should be safe and non-irritating to restricted track. It should be compatible to water quality. It should be compatible to temperature. It should be stable in all temperatures. It should be compatible to equipment. It should not be corrosive. It should not have objectionable odor. There should not be any harmful accumulation of the disinfectant tissue of birds. It should be active in organic matter. And finally, it should be economical and easily available. So, what are the normal available disinfectants? In poultry, there are phenols, natural and synthetic, but synthetics are good. Aldehyde, neutraldehyde and formaldehyde is another class of disinfectant. There are hydrophores, quaternary ammonium compounds, oxidizing agents are available. So all these disinfectants should be rotated. A single disinfectant should not be used for a long time. It should be rotated to prevent the resistance of microbes. What are the factors which affect the activity of these molecules? Organic matters, surface temperatures, contact time, and water pH. These are the factors which affect disinfectants. So, when we follow the SOP of biosecurity, we must understand the disease agent prevailing in the premises or prevailing in the surrounding areas, and what is the nature of the disease agent. What is the survival time? How easy to eradicate, disinfect, or hard to eradicate? So, accordingly, we can design the SOP of biosecurity. So, nature of this agent understanding is very much important. Okay, I really thank you for JAPFA team to give me this opportunity to present and talk some valuable words for poultry farming. Really thank you.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.